Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are checking out the M1 AI phone assistant, an app that claims to answer calls, screen spam, and talk like a real human. Is it actually helpful in 2025 or just another overhyped AI app? The M1 assistant acts like a smart secretary for your phone. It can answer calls in a human like voice, screen spam, schedule appointments, or even handle basic customer service. The AI sounds very realistic, not robotic. You can customize what it says or how it handles different types of calls. It works especially well for freelancers, solo business owners, or busy people. But here's what to know: it's not free. There's a monthly subscription for most features. Some users say it misses context or gives generic replies. It may not integrate with all phone carriers yet. So, is the M1 AI assistant worth it? If you're looking to save time, avoid spam, or run a small business, it can really help. But if you just want basic voicemail or don't take many calls, it's probably not worth the monthly cost. Try the free trial first and see if it fits your workflow. Comment if you tested it, like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.